Are you tired of wasting hundreds of dollars on a smartwatch that doesn't actually fit your daily routine? It is incredibly frustrating to buy a high-end wearable only to realize the battery dies too fast, or it doesn't sync with your favorite apps. Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to pick the perfect watch for your specific lifestyle right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to make sure you get the absolute best value for your money. The smartwatch market is flooded with hundreds of options that all look similar but perform very differently. Most people end up with buyer's remorse because they choose based on brand name rather than matching the hardware to their actual needs. Whether you are an athlete, a busy professional, or a casual user, the wrong operating system or sensor package will make the device useless to you. Let's dive into the solutions. Step 1. Check your smartphone compatibility. If you use an iPhone, an Apple Watch is your best bet for seamless integration. If you are on Android, look for watches running Wear OS or specific brand ecosystems like Samsung to ensure all features actually work. Step 2. Identify your primary use case. If you are a hardcore runner, prioritize a watch with dual-band GPS. If you just want notifications and step counting, a simpler fitness tracker will save you hundreds of dollars. Step 3. Evaluate the battery life requirements. If you hate charging your devices every night, skip the high-power display watches. Look for hybrid smartwatches or rugged outdoor models that can last 7 to 14 days on a single charge. Step 4. Pick the right screen technology. Choose an OLED or AMOLED screen if you want vibrant colors and deep blacks for indoor use. If you spend most of your time outdoors, look for a transflective display that becomes clearer in direct sunlight. Step 5. Verify the health sensor suite. Ensure the watch has the specific sensors you need. If you are monitoring heart health, look for ECG and blood oxygen sensors. If you are a weightlifter, check if the app supports advanced strength training metrics. Step 6. Consider the size and material. Smartwatches come in different case sizes measured in millimeters. Visit a store to see if a 40mm or 45mm case fits your wrist comfortably before you buy online. Step 7. Look for offline music support. If you want to leave your phone at home during runs, make sure the watch has enough internal storage and supports offline playlists from Spotify or Apple Music. Step 8. Check for mobile payment support. Ensure the watch supports NFC for contactless payments. Being able to tap your wrist at a grocery store is a massive convenience for a busy lifestyle. Step 9. Assess the app ecosystem. If you rely on third-party apps like Strava, AllTrails, or specialized golf trackers, make sure the watch's app store actually carries them. Step 10. Decide on cellular connectivity. If you want to take calls and receive texts without your phone nearby, you will need an LTE model. Keep in mind this usually requires a separate monthly data plan from your carrier. Here is a pro tip for the smart shoppers. Always check the refurbished or previous generation sections of official websites. Last year's flagship model often has 95% of the same features as the newest version, but costs half the price. If you face any difficulty deciding between two specific models, please leave a comment below. I check the comments every day and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this guide helped you narrow down your choice, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. You are now ready to upgrade your wrist with confidence. I will see you in the next one.